Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm sharing how to get rid of plantar warts naturally. So this is annoying when you develop plantar warts, if you've had them yourself or if your kids have them. This is something that I've gone through with my kids as well, and they can be, pretty problematic and worrisome for people who don't know that you can actually deal with them naturally, and it is quite simple. So that's what I'm sharing with you today. So my best tip, and this is what I did use with my kids, and it's a great hack, is to use duct tape. So what you want to do is you want to cover that surface that has those plantar warts. Usually they're on the base and the bottom of the foot. You want to cover this completely with duct tape. The whole idea is to not allow any oxygenation or oxygen to get into that wart, and you're basically starving the wart of oxygen, and eventually you will be able to peel it off, and it comes right off with the duct tape. So this may take a few weeks. It is a viral infection, so it's something that, yes, by starving the oxygen, you are able to have that positive effect. So put that duct tape on the area, make sure that there's no air getting into it, and as soon as the duct tape starts to wear off, this might happen depending if you have very sweaty feet or the moisture content. Certainly with bathing and showering, it may lose its stickiness. You'll have to reapply a new piece of duct tape, but keep it on there as long as possible, and eventually you'll be able to peel it right off. So it can take up to 3 weeks, sometimes a little bit longer, but this is fantastic. So also, in terms of if this is a chronic thing for you or for your children, you want to take a look at your immune system, because it is a viral aspect of the plantar wart. So, if it's chronic, you may want to make sure that you're getting enough vitamin C, and certainly if you're going to take a supplement, make sure that it's a whole food vitamin C supplement. So we'll put some links below to help you, to direct you in the right direction there, but also making sure that you have a healthy gut and your microbiome, because we know that over 80% of our immunity actually comes from our gut and the functioning of our gut. So if our gut microbiome is not healthy and not functioning the way that it should, then we can be more prone to viral infections and things like plantar warts. So making sure that you are limiting the sugars, which can have a negative effect on your microbiome, but also I've got other videos on how to get off of the sugar, but also how to help and have a healthier gut flora. So make sure that you check those out. So if you've tried different things for your plantar warts, I would love to hear about it. Please do put it in the comments below. If you've got questions as well about the protocol, please do, put that in the comments so that we can definitely get back to you. Also, be sure to share this video with someone who you know who will benefit from this information. And also, I appreciate a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and also click that bell so that you're always notified of my newest and latest uploads, which happens every single day of the week. And remember to always take good care of your health and do it naturally. Thanks for watching today.